हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ्स अप will discuss with you chapter 12, that is Heron's formula of class 9th mathematics. In this video, I'll be discussing with you keywords, examples of the Ncert book and exercise 12.1. All questions I will be discussing with you. So here is first something we want to learn. Some means the all the components of the triangle. So first of all, what is a triangle? A plane figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. In triangle, there is a triangle ABC. A triangle has three vertices, A, B, and C. A triangle has three sides. In this triangle ABC, AB is a side, then BC is a side, and then third CA is a side. And the triangle ABC has three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C, which you know very well about it. And now, types of triangle. First of all, we come to equilateral type of triangle and types of triangle and equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. So if you consider triangle ABC, then if AB side is equal to BC and is equal to CA, if all three sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. किसी भी triangle में अगर तीनों साइड इक्वल होती हैं तो उस ट्राइंगल को हम इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल कहते हैं, मींस ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. एंड वी आल्सो नो that each angle of a triangle, equilateral triangle, is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and this angle is also 60 degree. And then an isosceles triangle. A triangle with any two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. कोई भी triangle जिसमें कोई दो side equal हो, AB is equal to AC, then it is equilateral. AB is equal to BC, this is AB, and this side BC is equal to equal, then it is also an isosceles triangle. AC is equal to BC means this side AC and BC, if the two sides are equal, then this triangle is also called an isosceles triangle. Then scalene triangle. A triangle in which no two sides are equal is called a scalene triangle. किसी भी एक triangle में अगर कोई भी दो sides equal ना हो, means all sides are of different measurement, then the triangle is said to be a scalene triangle. Here AB, BC and CA, no two sides are equal, means कोई भी दो side equal नहीं है, सारे side different measurement के हैं, तो ऐसे triangle को हम scalene triangle कहते हैं. And then what about the perimeter of a triangle? The sum of all three sides of a triangle is called its perimeter. किसी भी triangle में तीनों साइड के सम को AB प्लस BC प्लस AC, तीनों साइड्स का अगर हम सम करेंगे, that is known as perimeter of the given triangle. Then in the triangle ABC, AB plus BC plus CA, that is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. And now very important, area of a triangle. The measure of the surface enclosed by the boundary of the triangle is called its area. Area of a triangle can be found by in two ways. One, when we know the base in altitude. So area of a triangle when a side and corresponding altitude is given. So let in triangle ABC, BC is given and this height is given, means this altitude is given. Then we know that area of a triangle is given by half into base into corresponding height. So in this case, BC is the half into BC is the base and corresponding height is this. So area of a triangle, when its base is given and the height is given, means corresponding altitude is given, then we can apply this formula 1/2 half into base into corresponding height. But when three sides are given, then we can apply the formula to find out the area of the triangle, that is known as Heron's formula. किसी भी ट्राइंगल में अगर ऑल थ्री साइड्स गिवन हो, तीनों साइड गिवन हो, तो हम उस ट्राइंगल का एरिया हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला से फाइंड आउट करते हैं। और हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला में हमको चाहिए, हमें जो चाहिए वो चाहिए थ्री साइड्स, लेट ए बी सी एंड ए सी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड द साइड ए बी, दैट इज सी। ये कैपिटल जो वर्टेक्स है सी, उसकी जो अपोजिट साइड है ए बी, उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं जनरली सी से। जो लेट दिस इज सी, एंड नाउ द बी सी साइड, दैट इज ए, and side AC is small b. We need three sides, and then we find out the s, small s. Small s means semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means sum of all sides by 2, half of the perimeter, that is known as semi perimeter. And the formula, Heron's formula, is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus C. So here later, if we have three sides here, these are three sides. Let this is A, this side is B, and this side is C. Then we need S. S means semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means perimeter upon 2, half of the perimeter, means sum of all three sides divided by 2, and then we can apply this formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is a here? A, B, C are three sides. A, B, and C are all three sides of the triangle. And then S is given by the half of the perimeter, means A plus B plus C divided by 2. तो हमें इसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए तीन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी, थ्री साइड्स की, ए, बी एंड सी। So let us discuss an example here. Find out the area of the triangle ABC, in which AB is given by 32 centimeter, BC is given, sorry, meter, AB is 32 meter, BC is 40 meter, and AC is 24 meter. Here all three sides are given. So we have to find out the area of this triangle ABC using Heron's formula. For the Heron's formula, we need A, we need B, and we need C. So A can be, I mean the side A can be 40 meter, B can be 24 meter, and C can be 32 meter. So here we can consider here, later A is 40, this A is 40, this other side B is 24, this side is 24 meter, and this side AC is 32 meter. So we have got here A, we know B, and we know C here. This is formula, Heron's formula, is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. हमारे पास A, B और C आ चुका है। देखिए A is 40, A is 24, and C is 32. अब हमें चाहिए S, and what is S? S means sum of all sides, means A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that can be given by, see here, we can write 40 plus 24 plus 32 divided by 2, that is 96 divided by 2, that is 48 meter. So we have A is 40, B is 24, C is 32, and S is 48. As again, I want to tell you that this S stands for the semi perimeter, half of the perimeter, means sum of all three sides upon 2. So here S is 48 meter. Yes. Now we can apply the Heron's formula here. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So further you can say here, what is S minus A? S minus A, see here, A is 40 and A is 40 and S is 48. So 48 minus 40, that is 8 meter. Now S minus B, because we know for the for the Heron's formula, we need S minus A, we need S minus B, and now S minus C. So S minus C is, S is 48 and C is 32. So 48 minus 32. So now you can use the Heron's formula, that is given by area of the triangle given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here we have S is 48, S minus A is 8, S minus B is 24, and S minus C is 16. We can put all these values here. That is 48, S minus A, that is 8, S minus B, that is 24, and S minus C, that is 16. And now you calculate and find out the answer. So here we can put the value in this formula and we can find out the answer here. That is 48 into 8 into 24 into 16. So how to find out, how to calculate finally? So we can write here, that is 8 into 6, 8. 8, 6 are 48 and 8. Then 8 into 3. And then we can write 8 into 2. Again, we can write here. See here, 8. देखिए पेयर बनाइए, ये 8 का ये पेयर बना. I have to write separately. 8 into 8 means this 8 into this 8. Then this 8 into this 8, we can write 8 into 8. Then we can take here, this is 6 and this is 3 to the 6. So we can write here 6 into 6. अब पेयर बनाइए, देखिए, that is one pair, that is one pair, and that is one pair. So the final answer is, that is given by that is 8 into 8 into 6. That is 64 into 6. That is 384 meter square answer. So area of this triangle is given by 384 meter square answer. So that's all for this example. Now example number 1, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Third side is not given, but we know the perimeter means sum of all three sides. Perimeter का मतलब है कि तीनों sides का जो sum है वो 32 centimeter है. So it is given here, means AC plus BC plus AB, that is that is 32 centimeter it is given. So 11 plus 8 plus AB is 32. Then 19 plus AB is equal to 32. So what is AB? That is 32 minus 19. That is 13 centimeter. So here we can write the third side is 13 सेंटीमीटर. अब हमारे पास तीनों साइड आ चुकी है, 8 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and 11 centimeter. And now we can use here Hero's formula. So what are the steps? First of all, we have to find out the three sides. So the third side, say, is 13 centimeter. So we can say A is 8 centimeter. Here you can take this A, that is A is 8 centimeter. Then B is 11 centimeter. And the third side C is 13 centimeter. Hero's formula can be applied if we have three sides of the given triangle. तो देखिए हमारे पास तीनों साइड ए बी है, बी बी है और सी बी है. And now we need S, small s. Small s means semi-perimeter, means half of the perimeter, means perimeter का आधा. The perimeter is given here 32 centimeter. So S will be here. So the value of S will be half of the perimeter, 32 by 2, that is 16 सेंटीमीटर. पेरीमीटर के हाफ को ही हम सेमी पेरीमीटर कहते हैं और हीरोज फॉर्मूला में इसको एस से रिप्रेजेंट हम करते हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव मींस 2s, that is 16 centimeter. Here the value of s is 16 centimeter. Small s is 16 centimeter. Now we need S minus A, S minus B, S minus A here. So see here, S is 16 and A is 8. So S minus A, that is 16 minus 8, that is 8 centimeters. Now we have to calculate S minus B. So S is 16, B is 11, and 16 minus 11, that is 5 centimeter. Then we need S minus A. So S is 16, C is 13, here C is 13. So S minus C, that is 16 minus 13, that is 3 centimeter. Then we apply we have the Heron's formula here. So see here, this is the Heron's formula to find out the area of the triangle. So we, in place of S, you put 16. In place of S minus A, you put 8. In place of S minus B, we can put 5. And in place of S minus C, we can put here 3. So put here, that is S minus S is 16. S minus A is 8. S minus B is 5 and S minus C is 3. And now you can calculate the means this is easily. So how to calculate here, sir? स्टूडेंट आप इनका फैक्टराइज करिएगा. देखिए कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. दिस 16 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 8 and this is 8 already, and then we have 5 and 3. आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि केवल एक 8 का ही पेयर बन रहा है, 2, 5 और 3 का पेयर नहीं बन रहा है. यू कैन टेक 1 8 आउटसाइड आउट ऑफ 2 8 and internally inside 2 into 5 into 3, that is 8, 2 5 are 10, 3 are 30. And what is the unit here? This is centimeter, so you can write here centimeter square answer. So that is 8 root 8 into root 30 centimeter square is the answer. It means is the area of the given triangle ABC. So that's all for the example number 1. Example 2. We read the question carefully. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. This is a triangular park. A, B, C, and its three sides are 120 meter, this is 80 meter, and this is 50 meter. Let this point is A, then B, then C, then small a, we can write here. Side A is 120 meter, B is 80 meter, and C is 50 meter. Right? जब किसी ट्राइंगल के तीनों साइड्स हमें गिवन हो तो देन वी कैन यूज हीरोज फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द गिवन ट्राइंगल. And then we need S also. S means semi perimeter. So S is given by A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that is 120, then 80 plus 50 divided by 2. So that is 250 divided by 2. Then that is 125 meter. So we have A is 120 meter. Side B is 80 meter and C is 30 meter, and the semi perimeter is 125 meter. Now we read the question again. A gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it. Dhania इसके चारों तरफ fencing करना चाहते हैं. Means इसकी perimeter की हमें जरूरत है. How much area does she need to plant? First of all, we have to find out the area of this triangle ABC, and in the second part, find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide. ये यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक 3 मीटर का जो स्पेस है छोड़ दिया है. यहाँ पे आपका जो फेंसिंग नहीं होगा 3 मीटर में. मीन्स हमें कितना फेंसिंग में कम करना पड़ेगा. पेरीमीटर जो इसका है उनका पेरीमीटर में हमें 3 मीटर कम करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we find out the area of this triangular means park. So what is as here? We already have calculated as here. Sum of all three sides divided by 2, so that is 125 meter as is, and we already have calculated the small s means semi perimeter, means half of the perimeter is. So semi perimeter is a small s is 125 meters. Then for the heroes formula, first we need s minus a. S is 125, and you can consider here later. This is A. A is 120 meter. The other side B is 80 meter, and the third side C is 50 meter. So S minus A, S is 125 and A is 120. So S minus A, that is 5 meter. Then S minus B, S is 125, B is 80. So S minus B, that is 125 minus 80, that is 45 meter. Then we need S minus C. S is again 125 and C is 50, that is 50 meter. So S minus C is 125 minus 50, that is 75 meter. हमें हीरोज फॉर्मूला के लिए S चाहिए, S माइनस A चाहिए, S माइनस B चाहिए और S माइनस C चाहिए, और ये सारी क्वांटिटीज हमारे पास है. Now we put in the heroes formula, that is the heroes formula. That is therefore the area of the park, that is the square root of S, S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. In place of S, we can put 125. In place of S minus A, we can put 5. In place of S minus B, we can put 45. In place of S minus C, we can put 75. Yes. And now we have to calculate S is 125, S minus A is 5, into S minus B is 45, into S minus C is 75. That is 375 root 15. I want to tell you how to get the answer of this kind of question. कैसे ये आंसर फाइंड आउट करते हैं, कैसे स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करते हैं, देखिए इनके प्राइम फैक्टर्स करिए. This 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. Then write 5 as it is. Then you write 5 as it is. This 5. Then 45 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 is a 9 into 5. And then 75 can be written as into 5 into 5 into 5. Sorry, 5 into 5 into 3. That is. देखिए, अब इनके आप पेयर बनाइए. This is one pair. Take that outside. Take 1 5 outside. Then you can take here one pair of 3, this 3 and this 3, and take one pair of this 5. So we can write here कितना pair बना देखिए हमारा, एक 5 we can take outside, then again one 5 we can take outside, and then again we can take 5, and then we can again take a 5, and then what is left? This 5 and this 3 is again left. इस 5 और 3 का कोई पेयर नहीं है, तो इसको हम लिख देंगे रूट के अंदर 5 3 जा 15. Then you write 5 into 5 into 3 into 5, that is 375. So we can write here 375. Square root of 15 meter square is the area of the park, and this is the answer of the first part of this question. ये पूरा जो पार्क है आपका, इस पार्क का एरिया है 375 root 15 meter square. But in this question there are two parts. And now the second part is find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide. देखिए अब हमें इसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, लेकिन ये जो 3 मीटर है इसको हमें कम करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे गेट है. There is a 3 meter wide gate on one side. Yes. So what is here? 50 plus 80 plus 120 minus 3. इसका जो पेरीमीटर है फेंसिंग के लिए वो 50, देखिए ये 50 होगा, प्लस दिस इज 80 प्लस दिस इज 120, लेकिन सब में ये 3 मीटर कम करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्दर वी कैन राइट हियर that the perimeter of the park, that is 250, means you add 80 plus 50 plus 120, that is 250. लेकिन इसमें हमें 3 मीटर कम करना पड़ेगा, और जैसे ही हम कम करेंगे that is 247 मीटर here. ये जो पूरा जो हमें जो फेंसिंग के लिए जरूरत पड़ेगी वायर की, वो 247 मीटर की जरूरत पड़ेगी. बट इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन कि 1 मीटर का जो पैसा लग रहा है, रुपया लग रहा है, दैट इज ₹20 for 1 meter. पर मीन्स 1 ₹20 for 1 meter. So now you multiply 247 by 20 to get the answer. So the cost of the fencing, that is 20 into 247, because the perimeter, the length of the wire required, that is 247. So 20 into 247 on multiplication, it gives us rupees 4940, 4,940 rupees. And that's all for this question. ये इसका जो एरिया होगा that is 375 square root of 15, and the cost of fencing will be rupees 4,940. That's all for this example. Example number 3. The sides of the triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7, and its perimeter is given 300 meter. Find its area. स्टूडेंट्स जब साइड्स रेशियो में दे रखा होता है तो देन वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस रेशियो बाय सम वेरिएबल्स by x. So we can write here, let the sides be. How to write here? So let ये देखिए तीन साइड्स है, let the sides be 3x meter and then 5x meter and then 7x meter. एक साइड 3x है, सेकंड साइड 5x है और थर्ड साइड 7x है. It is given its perimeter is 300 meter. So further we can write, it is given that 3x plus 5x plus 7x is 300 meter. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 upon 15, that is 20. So the value of x here is 20. Now we can determine the sides here. This is 5x, so 5, the value of x is 20, so that will be 100 centimeter. 7x means 7 into 20, that is 140 meter. And this side is 3x means 3 into 20, that is 60 meter. तो अब हमारे पास तीनों साइड आ चुकी है. लेट दिस साइड A is 140, B is 100 and C is 60 meter. So that is x is 20, we already have calculated, and one side is 60 meter, 100 meter and 40 meter. That is 60 meter, that is 100 meter and that is 140 meter. इसमें ये जरूरी नहीं होता कि किसी को A B C माने, आप किसी को भी सपोज कर सकते हैं A B और C out of the three sides here. So using Hero's formula, the perimeter is given 300 meter. It is already given, and half of the perimeter is semi perimeter. So S means sum of all sides divided by 2. So you can write 300 divided by 2, that is 150 meter. और अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करना चाहते तो तीनों को ऐड करिए, 60 plus 100 plus 140 divided by 2, that is 300 divided by 2, that is 150 meter. Now applying the Hero's formula here, what is S, what is S minus A, and what is S minus B? So we can write here. So here, first of all, we know S is 150. S minus A, that is 150 minus 60, that is 90 meters. Then S minus B, that is 150 minus 100, that is 50. And then third is S minus C, that is 150 minus 140, that is 10 meters. So S, using the formula here, applying the formula, Hero's formula, that is S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, and it is square root. So 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. Now you have to calculate, how to calculate it. See here, कैसे इसको calculate हम करेंगे. You put the formula and now find out the square root of this. That is 1500 root 3 meter square. तो कैसे हमने इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट किया देखिएगा यहाँ पे. Taking here पहले सारे जीरो आप कर लें 15 इंटू 10 इंटू 9 इंटू 10 इंटू 5 इंटू 10 इंटू 10। तो देखिए 10 और 10 का वन पेयर, 10 और 10 का वन पेयर, वी कैन राइट 10 इंटू 10, that is 15, then 9 into 5, this is 15, that is 9, and that is 5. Again, this 15 and 5 can again be factorized. So we can write here 10 into 10. We can write 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. देखिए 5 का एक पेयर हो गया हमारे पास, ये दिस 5 एंड दिस 5, और 3 का भी एक पेयर हो गया, लेकिन इस 3 का कोई पेयर नहीं है. दिस 3 इज नॉट हैविंग एनी पेयर. So on further we can write here an answer that will be 10 into 10 into 5 into 3 into square root of root 3. So that is 1500 root 3 meter square answer. That's all for this question. The area of the triangle will be 1500 into square root of 3. This is the answer of this question. And that's all for this question. Question number 1, exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. That is side A. This is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. And second part is, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? हमें देखना है कि इनका एरिया कितना होगा. देखिए, we know that area of a triangle when its three sides are given, that is given by, the area of the triangle is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And perimeter is given by, and S is given by A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here, let A is equal to A, B is also A, and C is also A. तीनों ही साइड इक्वल है, तो ये भी A है, और ये आपका जो B साइड दैट इज ऑल्सो A, और दिस साइड C is also A. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, means A plus A divided by 2, that is 3A by 2. And S minus A, that is 3A by 2 minus A, you can take to LCM. So 3A minus 2A, that is A by 2. S minus B is also same, that is 3A by 2 minus A, that is A by 2. S minus C, that is 3A by 2 minus A, that is A by 2. क्योंकि A, B, C तीनों ही A है, that is A is A unit, B is A unit, and C is also A unit. So now putting in the formula here, in place of S, we can write 3A by 2. In place of S minus A, that is A by 2. In place of S minus B, that is a by 2, and in place of s minus c, that is also a by 2. In place of s minus a, you put a by 2. S minus b, that is also a upon 2. S minus c is also a by 2. Now, you will see here that a minus 2 is having a pair here. यहाँ पे देखिए इसका एक pair है. A upon 2 is also having a pair. So we can take the pair outside. So a by 2 into a by 2. But this 3 is not having any pair. So we can write 3 here. So further we can write 3 upon 4 into a square. So, or we can write 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the formula for an equilateral triangle. You write down in your notebook that area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 into side square. So, you can write here. Therefore, we can write here that area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is very important formula. For the second part, its perimeter is 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? तीनों साइड इक्वल है और तीनों का जो perimeter है means a plus a that is given 180 meter. 3a is given 180 meter. So a is 180 by 3, that is 60 meter. Therefore, हमारे पास साइड आ चुका है. What is the area? Therefore, area of the board means signal board root 3 by 4 and side is here 60. So 60 whole square. So that is root 3 upon 4. 60 is a 3600. So in the last we can give the answer 3 into 900. So what is the answer here? The final answer is 900 into root 3 centimeter square. Sorry, I'm very sorry. This is not a meter. This is centimeters. So we can write here the final answer is the area of the signal board is 900 into root 3 centimeter square. That is the answer of this question. And that's all for this question. Keep in mind, area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 upon 4 into side square. Question number 2. That triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. ये आपका फ्लाईओवर है और यहाँ पे एक वॉल इसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए यूज किया गया है. द साइड्स ऑफ द वॉल्स आर 122 मीटर, 22 मीटर एंड 120 मीटर. सी द फिगर. ये जो आपका साइड वॉल है यहाँ पे इनका जो इट इज गिवन दिस इज ये एक यूज किया है. उनका जो 3 साइड्स है वो 122 मीटर है, 22 मीटर है और 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? एक कंपनी ने इसको 3 मंथ के लिए लिया है और वो जो उसका जो रेंट है वो है रुपीज 5,000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. तो पहले तो ये जो ट्रायंगुलर वॉल है उसका हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा यूजिंग हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला. So for this we can say we can write here let Here you can say that A is equal to 122 meter. This is A. B side is 22 meter. And side C is 120. Here. And then S is semi-perimeter is given by A plus B plus C divided by 2, means sum of all sides divided by 2, that is 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2, that is 264 divided by 2, that is 132 meters. And now using Hero's formula, area of triangle, that is Hero's formula, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is 132. S minus A, we can calculate the side. S minus A, that is 132 minus 120, that is 10. So we can write here 10 into S minus B, that is 132 minus 22, that is 110. We can write 110, and then S minus C. S is 132 and C is 120. So that is 12. So here we can write 12. Now you find out its square root. देखिए क्या करें इसके अंदर से 132 का फैक्टर करेंगे. देखिए पहले मैं ये 0 0 को आउट कर लेता हूं. ये 0 0 है. वी कैन राइट हियर 132 into 10 into 10 into 11 into 12. 132 इसका जो फैक्टर होता है 12 into 11. So here we can write 12 into 11 into 10 into 10 into 11 into 12. फैक्टर देखिए इसका. So you can write here the factors 12 into 12. This is 12 and this is 12. Then 11 into 11. दो 11 है देखिए. One 11 is here, another 11 is here. And then 10 into 10. Then 10 into 10. इसका पेयर बन चुका है. We are having one pair of 12. So writing 12. We are having one pair of 11. So 111 outside. And we are having one pair of 10. So that is 10. So 12 into 11 into 10, that is 1320 meters square. So area of this triangular wall, this one, that is 1320 meters square. ये इसका area हो गया. Now we have to calculate how much amount is to be given. The advertisement gives an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. एक साल का 5,000 रुपया 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का है. we are having 1320 meter square, then how much amount is to be paid here? So see here. Okay. Therefore, further we can write, therefore means rent, that is area into rate. That is area is 1320 and rate is 5,000 for 1 year. But that is we have to pay for only 3 months. 3 months can be written as 3 upon 12 year. So here we can write 3 by 12. On calculating, it gives us 165 1,234 rupees, and that is the answer of this question. इसका जो रेंट पे करना होगा for 3 months only, that will be 165,000 means 16,50,000 rupees. That's all for this question. Question 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. एक पार्क है, इस पे स्लाइड है और इस पे मैसेज लिखा है, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें जो ट्राइंगुलर पार्क है इसका तीनों साइड्स है, वन इज 15 मीटर, 16 मीटर एंड 11 मीटर. So the area given by Hero's formula, the formula is area of triangle. By Hero's formula, it is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here, let A is equal to 15 meter. B, let this is A. B is equal to 11 meter. So B is 11 meter. And the third side C is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. तो हमारे पास A आ चुका है, B आ चुका है और C आ चुका है. And now we need S. S means sum of all sides. S is given by A plus B plus C divided by 2 means 15 plus 11 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 32 divided by 2, that is 16 meters. Yes. We have the value of A, we have the value of B, and we have the value of C, and we have the value of S, that is semi-perimeter. Now, so now S minus A means 16 minus 15, that is 1 meter. Then S minus B, 16 minus 11, that is 5 meters. And then we have S minus C, that is 16 minus 6, that is 10 meters. Put these values in the formula here. So S in place of S 16, in place of S minus 1, 1, in place of S minus B 5, and in place of S minus C, that is 10. You can find out here. 16 5s are 80 into 10. We can write 8 into 100. You can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10. We are having a pair of 2. We are having a pair of 3. So take it outside, 2 into 10. But we are not having the pair of these 2. So this is inside. So the answer is, that is 20 root 2 meters square. So the area of painted in color, that the area of this place will be 20 root 2 meter square. Answer. That's all for this question.